Hi guys, this is James. I've got great news for you if you are looking to save money as well as make money at the same time. Now, on the 19th of January 2022 at 11 a.m. Eastern, Host Pro is going live. And if you are watching this before then, click on this link below this video now and lock in your early bird pricing. Now, if you're watching this after that, doesn't matter, watch to the end. I got a demo of HostPro coming up, as well as a quick review. Subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications so that all future videos like these that are going to give you tips, tricks, and techniques on how to boost your income, you shall receive them. Let's check out the demo and review of HostPro now. All right, guys. So if you have clicked on the link below this video before 11 a.m. Eastern on the 19th of January, you will arrive on this page where you can lock in your early bird prize coupon and maybe even get a chance to win a free copy of Host Pro as well. And in order for you to win a free copy, all you have to do is put in the comment below about Host Pro, probably how you want to use it or what it will do for you in your business. Now, if you click on the link below after 11 a.m. on 19th of January, then you'll come to the sales page. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove all the fat from the sales page and just hone in on the important points that will help you make a decision. So what I like about Host Pro is that it allows you to host unlimited websites and domains on ultra-fast servers for life at a one-time low price. So the vendors of Host Pro say that this is cutting edge. I don't know what makes it cutting edge. That has not been explained anywhere on this sales page. So guys, as I go through, as I scroll down this sales page, there is a lot of stuff here which I think you can skip. To a certain extent, there is even some what they call diary of self-marketers, and this looks like a philosophy, a treatise on philosophy. So you can skip all of that unless you are interested in reading that. I don't find any value in that at all. So from this section of the sales page, you can pick up some of the features of HostPro, which I have already highlighted earlier. You can host unlimited websites and domains as well. So that's cool. And you only pay once, of course. It is fully automatic, so everything is done for you. I'm not too sure what they mean by that. I have used other hosting services, so I don't understand what being fully automatic is. So it doesn't take a lot of tech skills in order for you to use this. But as you saw in the demo, you would realize that this doesn't use cPanel. So if you are used to cPanel, you probably have some learning curve, though it's not going to be steep. It's still pretty straightforward. If you have never used any kind of hosting services on your own before, no issue at all. You just start from scratch, and therefore there's not going to be any huge learning curve for you. And I don't know how it gets unimaginable traffic. That's not explained, or sales or profits, unless you are getting traffic because the search engines prefer your website because it loads fast, and therefore your visitors also prefer your websites or your sales pages because of the fast loading. That's the only way that I can see that you're going to get unimaginable traffic, sales, and profits. Now, there are some testimonials here, but I do not know if these are genuine. And if you look at the images, for me, it looks like stock images. So I would skip it. And here is something that I find a little incredulous. They list Bluehost's cost as $2,010, HostGator at is $46.70, and I've used both HostGator as well as Bluehost, and I never paid that, not even for a 1 year period. So I don't know what period these costs are, because hosting with HostGator and Bluehost, the cheapest plan is very low. Even the moderate plan or the business plans that you can grab will not set you back this much. So I'm not sure what the basis of these hostings are. But in any case, just note that with HostPro, it's going to be a crazy 2-digit one-time fee. And what the list here are the reasons why you need to have fast loading. So that's fine. Okay, so let's have a look at more features of HostPro. We have gone through the unlimited sites. Of course, it's cloud-based. It loads faster compared to what? I don't know. Which hosting service are they referring to? It's not stated. But many services now do load fast. So just rest assured that even with HostPro, you're going to have fast loading. Safe and protected because of the end-to-end SSL encrypting, and it is certified as well. Limitless bandwidth, so that's good. It uses a new technology which is not explained, so we can just ignore that. It is simple and easy to use. One click to get started, as you saw from the demo, and it keeps your site and it keeps your site safe as well because it comes with a premium malware protection. So the price is $19 one time with HostPro. And if you had jumped in at the early bird discount, you would have probably gotten it at $14. So one thing I have probably not mentioned earlier is that you can get personalized email accounts as well as, I believe, unlimited aliases for each one of your email address. And note too, guys, that there is round-the-clock tech wizard support. And that is critical if you are having your own or handling your own hosting of your websites or even for your clients. Right. And here are the bonuses that you get when you pick up during the launch period: unlimited hosting. Bonus number 2 is unlimited emails. Bonus number 3 is SSL certificates that are free, and of course, the 24/7 customer service. Now, guys, I don't know why they have listed the support service, 24/7 support service, as a bonus. So if you are buying after the launch period and you find that this bonus is no longer listed, do not buy, because this should not be a bonus. You can't expect a hosting service. None of the hosting providers out there provide support service for only 5 days a week. They don't work from Monday to Friday only. It has to be every day of the week. So if you find this is missing, then do not buy. And the 30-day money back guarantee is a satisfaction guarantee. So take it for a test drive and see if they honor everything that they have, if the features live up to what they have stated. Right, and here are the OTOs. OTO 1 is HostPro Premium going between $27 $37. OTO 2 is Done For You Plus Website Builder going for between $67 to $97. OTO 3 is HostPro Cloud Drive between $37 and $47. OTO 4 is Pro SEO Unlimited between $37 to $47. OTO 5 is the agency license for $197, where you can host for 197 clients. So that's $1 per account. And OTO 6 is the reseller account, which is for the entire funnel, going for $97. So there you go, guys. That was the quick walkthrough of HostPro. And I hope you have seen how you can save a ton of money, especially if you need hosting, and how you can make money and make this into another income stream as well. Now, if you found any value in this video, please like it and share it with any of your buddies who may find some value out of it as well. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you've got any questions, put it in the comment box below. And I look forward to hearing your success stories when you use HostPro.